My role is to program, set and operate a variety of CNC machines ranging from 3 to 6 axis milling machines and centre lathes. So I develop processes and use my technical abilities and skills to help solve complex engineering problems. I feel my main impact that I've had on the company is through my work with the wire and arc additive manufacturing research and development program that we have here. Before my work on this, making large aluminium structures and complex shapes was just an idea. It hadn't been done before. We now know that we can do this, and it's given the company cutting edge capability and technology, and because it's additive manufacturing, it allows the company to design future products for additive manufacturing rather than conventional subtractive manufacturing. So we can produce parts that you couldn't possibly machine. The reason that I've had an impact on this is because this technology is largely due to the programs I've produced for the robot and the research and development work I've done within the additive manufacturing process. In my third year of my apprenticeship, I got the opportunity to work with the robot and be trained on that by other technicians, and then slowly I've become the subject matter expert on the WAM machine. The responsibility I have with this process is quite high, because if a part needs to be manufactured in this process, I have to do the programming. I have to say whether we can or can't do it, but usually we can do it.
I've had the pleasure of working with Rob now since he joined the company on our apprentice scheme in 2011. Rob joined back then as a machine shop apprentice. It's been really great to see him grow in his technical ability and grow as a person in that time. It's been fantastic. When he joined us, we saw in him that he had a natural aptitude and a skill towards machining, and that was the area we focused him to. And he had a real, Robert's a quiet person, but he has a real, he has a real passion and a real desire to really drive himself to be the best he can. And to see him go through his apprenticeship and come out of that really successfully. And then since then he's gone on to get his HNC, and just last year won 2 awards at his college and got distinctions throughout. That was fantastic to see. And then to see him bring all of that back into the business, into what he does, it's been a great thing. Rob has really taken all of his learning and all of the experience and knowledge that he's gained, and he's really giving that back into the apprentices. We have a continuing apprentice scheme here at Lockheed Martin, and Rob plays a leadership and a guiding role and a mentoring to the next crop of apprentices. I had the pleasure last year of attending the Bedford College Awards evening, where Rob picked up 2 awards as Student of the Year, and to watch him do that from his journey, starting with us in 2011 to that, was fantastic. But Rob, although he is quiet, he is very assured in himself. He's very confident in his own abilities and skills, and he has his own way of doing things, and he uses that to his advantage in how he guides the next generation of the young, raw talent that we're bringing through for apprenticeships, and he does that very well. I think Rob should win this award for Technician of the Year for the passion and drive that he's put into his career development, that's now coming full circle, and the lead role and mentoring that he's given that are really bringing on the next generation of apprentices.